that we can control the devices, that is home appliances. This is the HTML page which we mentioned in the Arduino code. Whatever the code we've written, that is dumped into the node MCU. That code activates when we click on button. That code activates, and from that relay switch, from that to the bulb 1. Here I am clicking bulb 1, that on button. Here our monitor get activated when we click on the button 1. Here it is on. And next, whenever we click off, it get disabled. You can check. And next, bulb 1 get activated when we click on. When we click off, it get off. Same as third bulb get activated and disactivated. This is our project. Thank you.